Due to daily intensive usage, knives in kitchens and slaughterhouses can become blunt and worn down easily. Continuous using will only cause extra energy and slow operation. Friedr produced with the professional grinding and honing machines SM111, which can sharpen, hone and polish knives, best suit for heavy industrial usage. Different from other grinding and honing machines, SM111 has two polishing wheels on both sides. The middle part is the ceramic wheel for honing, while the wool wheel on the left-hand side is for polishing. Before operating, pull down the handle, fill water until half full to the rolling wheel. Then adjust the angle control button, around 32 degrees, the machine is now ready to use. Upon switching on the power, make sure that the polishing wheels are moist in order to avoid overheating. Then adjust the blade to a suitable angle, repeat pulling the knife along the blade to the tip. Turn the knife to the opposite side and repeat the same procedure. These polishing wheels are made from super hard material, and are reversible for using. Under normal condition, they last for many years. In the process of honing, place the knife in between the ceramic wheels in the center of the machine. Pull the knife backward horizontally and repeat for 3 to 10 times. The surface of the blade should be smooth and sharp by now. For final touch-up, apply a layer of polishing wax on the wheel, place the blade towards the turning direction, gently start polishing the knife from the tip to the handle, repeat each side for 3 to 4 times. Let's look at the difference between the left polished knife and the right side before polishing. SM111 can grind, hone and polish different knives, namely Chinese, Japanese, Western chef knives, and domestic use fruit knives and steak knives. Its diamond sharpening and polishing wheels can be used over 3,000 times. Easy exchangeable accessories are available for different functions. Friedr has other grinding and honing machines to suit different industries and usages. Use it together with the Atlantic Chef cutleries, they will make your operations stay at world class at all times. Maintenance service for the machines is also available. Please contact the Hong Kong Sole Agent Star Industrial Company Limited for information.